We're here at the Giant in the center of Oakton, working with our volunteer partners, CHO, the committee helping others, on the second weekend of the Stuff the Bus food drive.
Stuff the Bus is a way that the county helps fill the food pantries around the county, where we have folks that come and really look for that support of feeding their families in these tough times.
Stuff the Bus is a campaign that includes our partners at Fast Tran and MV Transportation and grocery store chains including Walmart, Giant, and Shoppers Food, and community nonprofit food pantries throughout Fairfax County. January and February are traditionally a lower time of donations because people give around the holidays, and then the food pantries often find their shelves are bare in this time frame. So the campaign runs from Martin Luther King weekend through President's Day. We've been doing this for several years, and last year the donations equaled 25,000 pounds of food for hungry people in Fairfax.
One of the difficulties with so much wealthier in our county, most people don't think that there are people that are in need. And actually we see more and more, and this year we've seen an increase of requests at food pantries and other services that are provided by the county. So in a county like this, we need not only to take care of all of those that are out here, but to have the generosity of those people that are in the county to recognize that there are many other people that are in need. And this is a program that serves a very important part of that need.
There will be locations around the county through President's Weekend. There are, as I mentioned, Shoppers, Walmart, and Giant stores in 6 different locations, and you can find the exact information on the county government website, fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS, or look up Stuff the Bus Fairfax.
One more.
All right.
Thank you.